Hello everyone, welcome back to Board Cyber Defense. In today's video, we're going to talk about exciting topic that involve in cybersecurity that can help you as an IT professional or cybersecurity professional. We use it in our companies, organization, etc. So what if I told you there is a single tool that can help your organization detect cyber threats, troubleshoot apps, monitor infrastructure, and even predict outages all in one place or one tool? So that tool is Splunk. And today, I'm going to explain what it is, why it's powerful, how organization use it, and how you can start learning for your career. This is your complete beginner guide for Splunk. So without being said, let's get started. So the first question we're going to ask, what is Splunk? Splunk is a software platform designed for research, let's say, monitoring and analyze machine-generated data in real time. It's widely used for SIEM, or security information and event management, IT operations, and compliance reporting. In simple terms, Splunk takes your raw data, logs, metrics, events, and turn it into a beautiful dashboard, real-time alert, and actionable insight, right? So the most important key features Splunk. First, we have log aggregation and search. Here, Splunk data will take the data from across your server, say apps, firewall, and system into one searchable place, so nothing slips through the cracks, right? Real-time monitoring. You can set up real-time alert to monitor system health, failed logins, suspicion traffic, and get notified the moment something goes wrong, right? So next we have security event detection. Splunk here act like a security radar, right? So catching anomalous brute forcing attempts, malware behavior, and insider threat automatically. Custom dashboard and report. You can visualize your data however you want, by chart, by graph, live map, all in drag and drop dashboard for analyze it, right? Threat hunting with SPL or search processing language. SPL is a Splunk powerful search language. It's let you ask a question like, show me all field login attempt by this user in last 24 hours and get answer instantly, right? It's like, let's say it's like Google for your IT infrastructure, but way smarter. And the best part, you don't just see logs, you understand them, connect them, and act on them in real time, right? So why companies use Splunk? So why do so many top companies invest heavily in Splunk? So from cybersecurity perspective, Splunk can detect malware, insider threats, brute force attempt, lateral movement, and much more, right? So Splunk is widely used in security operations center or SOC. It detect and respond to threat. It monitoring logins, file change, unusual user behavior, and lateral movement. So whether it's malware activity, brute force login attempts, or insider threats, Splunk can alert you before damage is done. So many security teams integrate Splunk with threat intelligence feeds and use it for automated detection and response workflow. IT monitoring. Tracks system uptime. Here, when we talk about monitoring, performance issue, failed logins, as I mentioned previously, or server crash. For IT operation teams, Splunk is a go-to tool for a real-time system health check. It tracks uptime, system load, disk failure, application crashes, and login errors, all in one place, as I say. If a web app goes down at 2 a.m., for example, Splunk alerting system can notify the one on call team instantly with the root cause, right? Business analytics. So here Splunk tracks transactions, user behavior, and errors in real time. So beyond IT, Splunk help businesses analyze real-time user behavior, like a click path, transaction trends, checkout errors, and conversion drop-offs, right? Let's say like e-commerce platform, for example, use Splunk to track customer activity and catch issues before sales are lost. And DevOps and SRE, here like automates incidents detection, alerting, and root cause analysis, right? So Splunk give DevOps and SRE teams a deep visibility into application performance, CI/CD pipelines, and incident timelines. So you can trace error from a failed deployment, correlate logs across services, and automated alert for downtime or performance issues, right? All using machine data in this scenario. So, like you see from, sorry for that. So, like from Netflix and NASA to small businesses and government agencies, Splunk is trusted globally to make sense of choice in the digital world, right? To stop any messy things, to stop any unorganized issue or in the operation or in the cybersecurity operation. All right. So how to start learning Splunk? So now let's talk about this part. Like, how do you start learning Splunk from scratch and eventually master it? So if we, in addition to Splunk on training, there are several platforms where you can practice, explore, and go deeper at your own pace. Right. So getting started with Splunk doesn't require years of experience. You just need a roadmap and the right resource to do that. So if we start first of all, like with the Splunk fundamental, okay, this is a Splunk official beginner friendly course. It's a free online and walk you through the basic of search, dashboard, alert, and using, as I mentioned previously, SPL. So you will get hands-on lab that prepare you for real-world use, right? You can also download and practice with Splunk free. So Splunk offers a free trial version you can install in your machine or test in cloud. Yeah. Also ingest sample log files or Windows events logs and explore them using SPL. In this part, try to join the community and forums. Use Splunk community forums and subreddit to ask questions, solve issues, and explore real-world scenarios others are sharing. And this really, I recommend, is very beneficial. For certification for beginners, certification helps structure your learning and demonstrate your skills to the employer, right? So even if you are still beginner, if we talk about the first certificate here, Splunk Core certified users, this is the entry level card that proves you can navigate Splunk, run basic search, and use dashboard. It's the best place to start, right? Next, we have Splunk Core certified power users. After learning the basics, this certification dives deeper into SPL, reports, and alert. It's ideal for those who want to stand out in SOC or IT analyst role. Now, when we come to the career benefit and real-world roles part, learning Splunk can unlock high-demand roles in cybersecurity, DevOps, and IT operations that will be really fast. So, as I mentioned previously, you don't need to spend years or even months to start like in some basic knowledge in Splunk. So in addition, you can enhance your resume. Splunk is a request after skill job description across IT and security. Even a basic proficiency can give you a major advantage over other applicants, right? So also you can get into SOC rules and security operation centers. That will be really promising. So many organizations use Splunk and their security operations center, right? So making it a great foundation for becoming a SOC or SOC analyst, threat hunter, or security engineer. So path to higher salary roles, right? So Splunk skills are evaluated in senior analyst, engineer, and same consulting roles. And those often lead to six-figure salaries with global demand indeed. Right? So when we come always you have to think Splunk isn't just a tool. It's a career accelerator, let's say it, okay? Cybersecurity analysts, SOC operators, system engineers, and threat hunters all benefit from Splunk skills. So the average salary, let's say, start in like 55k a year until like 55. SOC analyst with Splunk can start with even more than 60 till 80k per year. For example, Splunk security engineer in Europe and USA, that will be like 80k until 120 or even 130k. So many job roles list Splunk experience as a must-have. If you master it early, you are going to be ahead game, especially in cybersecurity and cloud security, right? Finally, let's recap what we take in this video. So first, Splunk helps turn missing machine data into security insights. It powers some of the world's most advanced SOC, and you can start learning today for free. It's no need to pay anything. Just you can. There is a lot of videos, and even Splunk itself. They have some documentation that you can start. So if you are serious about getting into cybersecurity, data analytics, or DevOps, Splunk is a fantastic skill to have in your toolkit. So in the end, smash that subscribe button if you found this helpful, and check the description for links to free training, certification guide, and lab resource. So until the next video, be safe. Ciao.